Have you ever heard about the time in 1999 when a group of pranksters managed to place a giant pumpkin on top of the University of Wisconsin-Madison's iconic bell tower? As dawn broke over the campus, students and faculty were met with the baffling sight of an enormous pumpkin perched precariously atop the 70-foot-high tower. The audacious stunt left everyone scratching their heads, wondering not only who the masterminds were but how on earth they had pulled off such an incredible feat without getting caught. Speculation ran wild, involving everything from cranes to helicopters, but the true method behind the prank remained shrouded in mystery. The pumpkin stayed in place for several days, becoming a campus legend and a symbol of ingenious mischief. To this day, the Great Pumpkin Caper of '99 continues to be a source of humor and curiosity, a testament to college creativity and the lengths some will go for a laugh.